Hi friends! In today's video, we'll show you a quick and easy method for perfect hard-boiled eggs using the Instant Pot. Make sure to watch till the end because we've included a bonus recipe. Stay tuned. To my 6-quart Instant Pot, I'm going to add the trivet, 1 cup of water, and for my eggs, I used my steamer basket today, but you can just put the eggs in. Add our lid, push the egg button or manual high pressure for 5 minutes, and then we will do a 5-minute natural pressure release. After that, we will release any remaining pressure. Once the pressure has released, we can remove our lid. Pro tip, using the steamer basket helps make the egg removal a lot easier. We will now put the eggs in an ice bath for 5 minutes to stop the cooking process. 5 minutes later, the eggs should be cool, easy to handle, and they're ready to peel. The great part of using the Instant Pot is the eggs peel perfectly every single time. Check out the finished product, a perfect hard-boiled egg, bright yellow yolk with no green ring. Now what to do when you have all those hard-boiled eggs? We included our bonus recipe. Today we're making some egg salad. First step, we're gonna chop our eggs with a fork until they're a finer texture. To your eggs, you're going to add a couple tablespoons of mayo. You can adjust to your preference. And we're using some stone ground mustard, keeping it pretty simple today. Salt and black pepper. We'll mix it all together till it's smooth and creamy at your desired consistency. We hope you'll try this method for making perfect hard-boiled eggs in the Instant Pot, or try this delicious egg salad recipe. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a comment down below. We'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.